how to find and see your blocked sites on your WordPress account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to WordPress, as you can see right here. This is the dashboard. Now go to the top here, click on your profile picture, and now after you click on your profile picture, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go right here to the blocked sites option and click on it, and right here you will find and see your blocked sites easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.